How to fix Discord link expired. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will go directly now to Discord. On Discord, go to storage and go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on first stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope that guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.